Hello everyone, welcome to Taller de Hogar. On this occasion we are going to repair a Maytag brand dryer. The problem it presents us with is that if it turns on you can even hear how it is working, but the tub does not move anything or the drum does not move anything. No. Well, we're going to start taking it apart, so it could possibly be the band, but well, we're going to start taking it apart here. Recommend that they clean the filter. We remove this filter that's here and we remove these two screws that we found in this part of here. Remember that this is the short version. If you want to see a more complete version with a complete disassembly, a complete cleaning, you can do it on the YouTube channel. Anyway, here maybe we upload it, and now that we remove the two screws we are going to remove the cover, and for this cover we need a plastic wedge or some card which we are going to insert right in this area that I am pointing out to you. Just push and that's it. Throws the lid. When doing it with one hand it is complicated for me since it pushed the whole dryer, so once we lift this lid we are going to start disconnecting the electrical parts. Emphasize here your dryer has to be disconnected to avoid any accident. Okay, in this part of here they have two screws, usually always 5/16. Since we remove these two screws it will give us access to remove everything else. If you can see, the belt is not broken, so here the problem could be with the pulley or even that the motor shaft is swept. We take the front part up and that's it. It will give us access to this part down here, which is where we have the belt and the pulley. We are going to remove the belt by pushing the tensioner pulley with our fingers, and with the other fingers we take out the belt to see if I understand. Look, there it is, and that's it. Here we can see that the belt is whole, but it is already a little worn. This belt is the 5H of 118 centimeters for Mitre. Usually many get to put the 4H of 116, and I don't recommend it. Puts the original one, the one she has, and this pulley that we have at the bottom is the one that is swept. Look, it is already as she takes it off to her even. It doesn't get to squeeze anymore. Remember that. Here I can leave you a link in our store. We also already have a store on TikTok in case you want to buy these spare parts, or also the links to other platforms. Now since we clean and that we already put the new pulley, we are going to proceed to put the band, and how it tightens is pretty easy. Look, here we can see how those little eyebrows have to go in at the bottom, and then we make a little hook that has to go under the tensioner pulley. This stretch it until it goes into this part here, and pretty much this is how it should be ready. You should no longer have a problem. Now we put it to work, and here you can see that it is indeed already working, and well, I hope you liked it.